Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We've launched these two landmark initiatives, actually three landmark initiatives for the people of Goa. The first is the Griha Lakshmi card, the second the Yuva Shakti card, and then we've introduced the Majha Ghar Malka Haq program, which is to give freehold rights to the residents in Goa. Of these, the Griha Lakshmi card is aimed at the female head of households. We've already crossed 2.5 lakh enrollments for that one. We have reached the landmark figure of 1.5 lakh enrollments for the Yuva Shakti card. Trinamool Congress believes in reaching every household. That's what we've done in Bengal, and that is what we aim to do here. That is the way our governance is based.
I have left Congress because I don't find any future for Congress in Goa. Second point, I see Mamata Banerjee as a second leader after Modi. No one can be after Modi beside Mamata in the country. Today we see Mamata, who fought a battle of Calcutta, Bengal, and she has won against the full BJP.
आमचो टीएमसी अलायन्स सरकार फॉर्म जायना फुडें आमी लोकांक एक वचन दिल्ले आहा आनी वचन दिता की ज्यो सगळे केसी आसतले आयज ज्यो मामलेदारान किंवा कोर्टान आसतले सगळे केसी आमी विथड्रॉल करून मुनकारियल एक्ट जो आहा मुनकारियलाच्या अंडर ज्यो केसी आहा ह्यो सगळ्यो गोंयकारांच्यो केसी आमी विथड्रॉल करतले ज्यांची बर्थ डेट किंवा जे बर्थ डेटूच म्हणना हांव ज्यांचे पूर्वज हांगा 1976च्या पयलीसून रावतात उणे 45 वर्सां पयलीसून जे रावतात आणि ज्या लोकांकडे घर ना ज्यांची फॅमिली वाढलेली आहा पण कुटुंबाक घर ना असले 50,000 कुटुंबाक आम्ही 100 स्क्वेअर मीटर जागो दिवन सबसिडाइज रेटीन घर बांधून दिवपाचे आम्ही वचन दिल्ले आहा.